పోటీలు కానీ మాటలు కానీ పాటలు కానీ ఏది కానీ పోటీలలో పాల్గొంటున్నటువంటి యువకులకు అందరికీ నా యొక్క ఆశీస్సులు. ముందు ముందు మీరు ప్రతి దాంట్లో పెద్ద చదువులు చదువుకొని బాగుపడాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈ మీటింగుకు వచ్చినటువంటి పెద్దలు మన ఎమ్మెల్యే మెతుక ఆనంద్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా ఆనంద్ రెడ్డి గారికి, శేఖర్ రెడ్డి గారికి, ఎంపీడీఓ గారికి, మిగతా పెద్దలందరికీ పేరు పేరున ఈ స్టాఫ్ అందరికీ, మిగతా టీచర్లకు కానీ అందరికీ, పేరెంట్స్కు, పిల్లలకు అందరికీ నా యొక్క నమస్కారాలు. మీరు ఇంతకుముందు చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడినాం, మేమంతా మాట్లాడలేదు. నేనైతే మాట్లాడలేదు ఇంగ్లీష్లో, నాకైతే తెలియదమ్మా. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడమంటే మాట్లాడతా. ఒకటి నుంచి 10th ఇంటర్ వరకు ఉన్నట్టున్నారు మన డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మొత్తము. కాకపోతే మీకు సలహాలు సూచనలు పెద్దదాన్నిగా మీరు భవిష్యత్తులో బాగుండాలి. మీరు ఏది ఎన్నుకుంటే అది సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రాణించాలి. మీ చదువు కానీ, ఆటలు కానీ, పాటలు కానీ, మీ జీవితం ఏ గోలుకు చెందాలనే ఆలోచనతోని, పట్టుదలతోని ఉండాలి. కాకపోతే ఇంకొకటి, మీరు పెద్దవాళ్ళు అవుతున్నారు, మీరు ఏ దానికైనా లొంగకూడదు. అబ్బాయిలు ఏదన్నా అరాచకం చేస్తే కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు ఎంత మంచిగా పేరు తెచ్చుకోవాలి. కన్నా తల్లిదండ్రులు కానీ, మీరు స్కూల్ టీచర్లకు కానీ, పలానా విద్యార్థి అంటే ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నది, పలానా ఊరు పిల్ల, పలానా తల్లిదండ్రుల బిడ్డ కొడుకు ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నారు అని ఒకటి మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకొని మంచి పొజిషన్లో ఉండాలి. మీకు ఒకటే నేను కోరుకున్నది, మంచి పొజిషన్లో మంచి జాబ్లో ఉండాలి. మంచి ఇక్కడక్కడ మీరు మైండ్ వేస్ట్ చేయకుండా ఏది అనుకుంటే అది, మీకు ఏది చేతనైతే అది, మీరు ఏ దాంట్లో సాధించగలనే నమ్మకం మీకుంటే దాంట్లో సాధించాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన పెద్దలందరూ.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I don't want to take much of your time. It's already too late. Is it a competition only for the girls or also for the boys? I can't hear you. Youth means, does it include boys as well or only girls? Because I can hardly see a boy here. Only girls are visible. Almost 90% of the hall is filled up with only girls. Then why are you lagging behind, friends? You are lagging behind. SLB students, especially I have seen in many occasions, they are participating in each and every occasion. I really congratulate the principal, Ramanamma Garu, and their team. I have seen in many occasions because she is leading their students in very bright and right way. Whatever the awards we give, even on 15th August or 26th January also, they will be there. These students will be there for each and every. Really, I congratulate SLB staff. Any other school is participating? Can you just raise your hands? This first bench students are from? Yes, Kottagadi is equally good. Kottagadi, because this school, Kottagadi, School of Excellence, is it right? Who has brought it, you know? I worked very hard to bring it all the way from Hyderabad to Vikarabad, that is School of Excellence. I only brought it to Vikarabad. Because of that, 4 students have got MBBS seats. That is the greatness of Kottagadi School of Excellence. That means knowledge is nobody's property. You remember, knowledge is nobody's property. It is nowhere related to caste, nowhere related to religion, nowhere related whether you are rich or poor. Yeah, the students are here. I really congratulate the students. Where are you from? Dharma Vidyalaya. Gangotri from Tandur. Welcome, beta. You are also welcome. Any other school? Government Junior College, Vikarabad or Tandur? Vikarabad. Previously, there was no government degree college in Vikarabad. This is brought it from Hyderabad to Vikarabad. SAP students are there? SAP college is one college where I studied my intermediate. I studied my intermediate BPC first year and second year in SAP college Vikarabad. I studied in all government schools only. That means government school is nowhere inferior to private schools. You remember. Only thing you need is determination, commitment. You can reach your goal. You have to establish your goal. Like Prasanna said, she wants to become a doctor. People may laugh it. People may laugh at her by hearing if she wants to become a doctor. But once she becomes a doctor, again they will laugh at her. So remember, even I came from a middle class family. I finished my MBBS, I finished my MD, I finished my MS General Surgery. Both of my parents are illiterates. I am telling you just to inspire you that your status is not important to reach your goals. Your status is not important to reach your goals. Only thing is commitment and determination more important in getting your goal, in reaching your goal. Participation is more important in any competitive thing. Conquering is not. Victory is not the important one. Whether you are participating or not is more important than achieving the victory. So I request all the students, because some student may be very good at studies, some student may be very good at sports. You should not discourage the student who is very interested in sports. Sports, other extracurricular activities are equally important as studies. She said very rightly, like your grandma. Our MPP has told you very rightly, like your grandma. Am I right? Yeah. Talking in Telugu or talking in our mother tongue is not a crime. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడము లేకపోతే మాతృభాషలో మాట్లాడడం అనేటటువంటిది తప్పు కాదు. But at the same time, you should learn as many languages as possible, especially the English, which is a global language. If you want to survive in other countries like US and UK, English is a must. That doesn't mean you should neglect your mother tongue. It doesn't mean. మాతృభాష ఏదైనా కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిందే. వేరే భాషలు నేర్చుకున్నంత మాత్రాన నీ భాషను విస్మరించమని కాదు. మాతృభాష అంటే నీ కళ్ళ లాంటివి, వేరే భాషలంటే నీ కళ్ళద్దాలు లాంటివి. నీకు ఒకవేళ కనుచూపు సరిగా లేకపోతే కళ్ళద్దాలు పెడితే క్లియర్గా కనబడుతుంది. నీకు కళ్ళే లేకపోతే కళ్ళద్దాలు పెట్టి ఏం చేసుకుంటావు? Am I right? That means you should learn as many languages as possible, especially the English. At the same time, you should not neglect your mother tongue, you should not neglect your mother, you should not neglect your motherland. Wherever you go for studies, even for other states or other countries, you should come back to your native place and try to serve your poor. Try to serve the place where you have taken birth. That is the only reason, because most of my friends during MBBS, during MD and MS, they wanted me to accompany them to UK and US. Many of my friends are settled in US and UK. Recently we had a get together here. They came all the way from Australia, UK, US, so many other countries. But as I just now told you, I wanted to serve my native place. That is the only reason I came to Vikarabad. Similarly, I request in future also, wherever you go, whatever you study, please come back to your native place and serve the needy and serve your native place. That gives immense satisfaction, that gives immense pleasure in your life. Okay? Thank you. Thank you all. Very little encouragement is coming from you people.
Government can do anything for developing our country.
In Telugu there is a saying, you know, Desham ante matti kadoi, Desham ante manishuloi. Whenever the people of a country are developed, automatically country is developed. It is the development of the people. Country doesn't mean only the walls, buildings. Country means people. Whenever the people are developed, it automatically means the country is developed. Desham ante matti kadoi, Desham ante manishuloi. That it means. Yes? Continue, beta.
In 1947, India got independence. Freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives and gave free India for us. Now it's our turn to reform our country. So, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi Garu gave 5 funds fund to develop our country. First, a resolve of developed India. Second one is removing the trace of colonial mindset and taking pride into our legacy. Our strength is unity, fulfilling the duties of citizens with honesty.
I just want to ask you one more question. What is the meaning of unity in diversity? భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం, unity in diversity. What do you understand by that sentence?
All people together can do anything. Even a group of people, supportive people, can even dig a big mountain. It's an example for diversity of unity.
Because India has got so many religions, so many castes. If you go to Israel, what is the religion there? If you go to Dubai, what is the religion there?
Islam.
Do you find Christians, Hindus there? Hardly. But India has got many religions, so many religions, especially Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Jains, Sikhs, Buddhists, and so many castes. But all are
Together, unity.
they are united and they are celebrating each and everybody's festival equally. I think many students have come from the villages, not from the cities here. If you see Batkama, it is not only the festival of Hindus, other religion people also celebrate the festival. Pirla Panduga, recently we have celebrated. It is not only the festival, Muslims, other religions also participate in that. That means unity in diversity.
you.